Hi, do you want to get top ranks in UCEED, CEED, NID and NIFT? You want to approach the questions in a way that NID and IITs look for? In this course, we'll take you from beginner to an advanced level. We'll start from the basics and cover all the topics necessary for these design exams one by one. You'll enhance your skill set step by step. You will have access to our workbooks where you have different types of questions. You can solve them and you can clear the doubts in our doubt sessions. We also provide feedback conversations where you can straight away call us and we provide full assistance. So why am I sharing this with you? Hi, I'm Sanjay, designer and illustrator. I cleared NID back in 2016 and had secured an All India rank 14, where I decided to pursue my design education from Italy. We have experts coming in from the design industry like Mr. Ashish. He had cleared CEED in 2014 and secured an All India rank 10. He was selected at IIT Bombay and ISC Bangalore. He also has a rich experience in the industry. We have been teaching and mentoring countless students who have cleared these exams with top ranks. Our mission is to give you these skills, and we're so convinced that any other course wouldn't be able to provide you with this. Because these courses are designed and developed by experts who have already cleared these exams with top ranks. So what are you waiting for? Jump on in and register for the online crash course and mock test series today.